here to invite you to this Sunday church service.
No.
This Rastaman bright.
So you have bang pan man door for?
What is wrong with you? You know, say you call outside.
And me say no thanks.
You know what? I never did want to bring this up, but I've seen you at a function the other day. And it's come to my acknowledgement that you was eating pork.
Foolish lies and propaganda. Where did you see the eye eating pork? At which event?
I assure you there's no propaganda here. The only propaganda here is those dreadlocks on your head. And, well, I'm not a woman that keeps receipts, but, well, Sister Marcia sent me a video clip. Is this you, Mr. Denton?
Give me this.
No, Marcia, make sure you don't tell nobody here.
Yo, all this.
It would be a shame if your Rasta friend them found out that you was eating pork.
Just calm down.
At an event that I've seen,
calm down, yo.
That you was eating,
yo,
that you
calm
was
down,
eating
sister.
pork.
Sure. Where you want from me now?
Well, since you asked, I want to see you at this Sunday church service. Rasta or not, we serve the same God.
Yo, you arts and craft, you do?
Jesus love you.
And tell Marcia say she had Delilah. She can't come back on my yard.
See people business and leave it alone.
Let me guess, she get you too, right? Yeah, man. Same, yes, same.
Hi. Say rock up here.